Alright, well, I'm going to run this tube back. I barely got any out of it. This is the one I used. It's much better. You can see right here that the 222 is like catch 22 kind of joke they did with the pricing. See all these slits here on this one? Nice 45 degree back and forth to blend it. This uses 90 degrees. It doesn't want you using this. Whoever engineered the nozzle is fighting the existence of concrete repair. And what I need is this kind of thing. I mean, these are these are impellers, flat impellers, 90 degrees, turned each way inside the damn tube. I'm trying to get to focus, but instead it's looking over there. Take off my glasses, my safety glasses. It's like, hey, how you doing? But look at that. Those are turned 90 degrees. Those are 45 degrees. Nice big open spaces to swirl back and forth as it comes out. There's the blending line right there. See how it blends back and forth? Pushes a little bit this way, pushes a little bit that way, and once it comes out the tube. This doesn't have that. Somebody at corporate has intentionally sabotaged this so that you can't repair concrete with epoxy because it would last too long, and people wouldn't get to tear up your driveway and wouldn't get to tear up things because you put this together and things last for like ever, especially if you paint it. A little bit of sun protection or paint on top of epoxy, and you've got something that's stronger than the surface it repaired. So the surface shouldn't move and it should seal out water. They're selling sealants and stuff now, but whoever's out there wants to destroy Mount Rushmore and crush it to make stone for them to stand on. And I like Mount Rushmore. I mean, it's cool to have your presidents immortalized. I mean, look at that swirl. That's the swirl pattern right there. Compare that swirl pattern to this swirl pattern. This thing is fighting its way through the tube. That's a 90-degree turn. Going to get a horrible mix, inefficient mix. Tons of resistance. Broke my gun. It broke my caulk gun. Right here. See that? Caused my gun to swirl because they wouldn't swirl the damn tube. That's the kind of stuff Quikrete is doing. The ASTM 881 rating, C Charlie 881 rating, Sika needs to put on its tubes and get some real work done. Because I can't be breaking tools because somebody creates a duck decoy for the real product that really works. I mean, look at this. This is the same photo that they use on a ton of other things. Especially this one. I've seen this one multiple times. With the hand trowel. There's a putty knife. Repair cracks and breaks in concrete. Repair broken edges. Maybe it's also a command for people. This is a broken edge in this damn tube. 90-degree turns. I mean, look at that. That actually looks like a L shape to catch it and block it from exiting the damn tube. You see that? Down here is just 90s. It sticks straight out at a 90-degree angle instead of being a swirl. And towards the end, they literally bend 90 backwards against the flow. Alright. Alright.
Don't leave without.
So, if you're engineering savvy, you're like, hey, don't let this stuff get out. It's too good. We don't want anyone to be able to use it. We want to do our best to cork the damn tool Look at it, it actually pushes backwards against the flow. You can see the swirl. I'll try and trace it with my finger. But see, it comes around here, and it's supposed to somehow go over there. There's like half an impeller there. I don't know where it's supposed to go. It gets trapped around this. It squeezes over here. See this big bloom? A big old bruise trying to find its way back into this thing and across. It's a horrible lack of mixture. They did it right here in the damn stem. They're actually trying to fight the customers and make the work damaging to the physical health and safety. Could have pinched or cut myself on this, especially on this one. I mean, people have pinched and cut themselves on this version of caulk gun a few times. It's the whole reason that Stanley designed this new design is to remove pinch points. Your hand, your grip, you're not likely to pinch yourself. This one, if you got fat, chubby hands or something, your fingers are working right next to the scissors. You got big pads on your hands, big calluses. If you're a guy who has calluses on your hands, your calluses get caught in these kinds of fucking guns. Over here, they did this to let us people who have calloused hands, who are hard working, survive. Then here comes Quikrete, trying to destroy our damn guns to keep us from using good quality products. Now, I'll go back and see if I can get a different tube tip and a different tube.